Let us start with the starting prayer. Just close your eyes and listen to this prayer. I am the I. I come forth from the void into light. I am the breath that nurtures life. I am the emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. The I, the it, the all. I draw my bow of rainbows across the waters, the continuum of minds with matters. I am the incoming and outgoing of the breath, the invisible, untouchable breeze, the undefinable atom of creation. I am the I. The topic I chosen for today's session is introduction about Ho'oponopono and following with the cleaning process. And once we'll have brief introduction about Ho'oponopono, how it started and what for it is being used, how it is used, the origins of Ho'oponopono, and then we'll proceed a few cleaning procedures of advanced Ho'oponopono. And then we'll do the healing session, is known as a group healing. The first Ho'oponopono, the meaning of the word Ho'oponopono. The word is Hawaiian word, Ho'oponopono. Ho means making or to make or to cause. Pono means perfect, correct or right. Ho'oponopono is a Hawaiian word, means rectifying the things, correcting the errors, rectifying the things in our thoughts, situations, whether it is physical health or psychological health, financial, relations, social, whatever you're experiencing, any kind of heaviness, whatever we call it as the problem, it is only because of an error. Error in our thoughts, words, deeds. Why these errors are appearing? Because of the root cause. The root cause is the subconscious memories that are stored in the subconscious mind. And here we call the subconscious mind as the inner child. So once you start doing Ho'oponopono, you are rectifying the things, you are rectifying the errors, correcting the errors, rectifying the things. If it is physical health, your health will be fine. You will become healthy person, healthy, strong person. If it is relations, all your differences, lack of understanding, the hatred, anger will disappear and you will become peaceful and a loving person, where you'll attract all the loving relations. Ho'oponopono word itself is a cleaning process. In other areas, I observed whenever we are talking about one healing modality, healing process, we keep one short form for that healing modality. So here in Ho'oponopono, we request each and everyone who is practicing Ho'oponopono to use the complete word Ho'oponopono, because Ho'oponopono, when you are saying it itself, is rectifying many errors in your thoughts, feelings, emotions, words, deeds. We are not keeping any short form to this Ho'oponopono, because the name Ho'oponopono itself is a cleaning process. It is from Hawaii, and this Ho'oponopono is practiced in Hawaii since thousands of years. It's an ancient Hawaiian problem-solving process. Since thousands of years, since ancient times, this process is being practiced in Hawaii. Hawaii is a beautiful island. And recently, Morna Nalamaku Simeona, she has updated the Ho'oponopono in such a way that we can practice on our own. We need not to go to Kahuna. In Hawaii, the person or the healer who used to conduct the Ho'oponopono sessions is known as kahuna. Whenever there is a problem in a family or group of members, the entire group used to visit kahuna, and kahuna used to do specific rituals. Will be giving to each and every person an opportunity to express their feelings, thoughts, emotions, what they are going through, all the pains they will be expressing. And then each and everyone will forgive each other, expressing gratitude for that person and expressing their love. And this process used to take long time. In between, he or she, kahuna, used to conduct a lot of rituals. In the process of doing the rituals, they were giving options, all these options to the participants, the group of members who are attending the Ho'oponopono session. And that Ho'oponopono, the ancient Hawaiian problem solving process, which we call as, it has to be done by kahuna only. And whereas this updated version of Ho'oponopono, which is updated by Morna Nalamaku Simeona, she is also awarded as the living treasure of Hawaii. Now she is not there. And in this updated version of Ho'oponopono, the advantage is you need not to go to kahuna. You need not to go to healer. You can practice on your own. And you can solve your problems. Whatever the problem you're going through, it is only the reflection, the outside reflection of your subconscious memories. The definition of problem is, it is only the memories replaying. Memories replaying is the outside problem, is the definition of the problem. So whatever the problem you are encountering, whether difficulty with one person, another person, or multiple people, or difficulty at workplace, difficulty with finance or money, wealth, or difficulty with the physical health or psychological health, or any kind of finding a job, finding a business partner, or difficulty in finding a life partner, or having difficulties or differences, lack of understanding with partners, like business partner, life partners, or whatever may be the problem, just by working on yourself, you can resolve each and everything. This is my personal experience. At one point of time, I reached a place where I lost all hope in my life. I wanted to give up. I wanted to end my life because it took almost 8 to 10 years. I was going through such a tough life, difficult life. Nothing was working for me. And over a period of time, things were getting difficult, tougher. And at that point, I was feeling helpless. Everything was against me. Then I came to know about the procedure for Ho'oponopono. And before coming to about Ho'oponopono, I tried different things. First, in all the 8 to 10 years, I worked on changing the things outside, convincing the people, trying to change the people, changing the things and all. Everything I tried, nothing worked. Then I started looking into alternate healing modalities. I found different healing procedures. They used to give short-term relief. Oh, sorry, I not seen the chart. Somebody has mentioned that voice is not clear. Is it clear now? Any one of you can unmute it, please tell me. Thank you.
Sir, clear, it's clear.
I started working on outside to solve the things. Instead of improving, I could find the things are getting worse. At that point, somehow I came to know about Ho'oponopono. Then I started practicing Ho'oponopono. When I started searching for Ho'oponopono and things in social media and all, so I could find only 4-phrase prayer. I didn't know how to use this prayer, when to use, and how to practice, and how it works. When I'm using this prayer, whom to address. Then I started digging more about this. Maybe for a few weeks, I could not find any other procedure. But when only 4-phrase prayer I used to practice, keep on saying in this thing. And afterwards, I came to know about some books, interesting books about Ho'oponopono, like Bin Lubin or Bin Lubin, something like that. The book name is Ho'oponopono, the author name Bin Lubin. And after that, I came to about different books of Ho'oponopono, easiest way of life, zero limits, like these books. And then I realized that the problem is not outside. The problem is only within me. Now all the books are saying to focus on you, only me. You just take care of you and everything will be fine. And during the process of cleaning and during the search, I found different ways, cleaning procedures of Ho'oponopono. Different meditations, procedures, prayers, specific prayers, cleaning tools. There are different procedures. There are at least around 15 to 20 tools itself. Tools are there. Tools you can use as an additional cleaning process. You need not to work more on the tools. Like this, I started practicing this, cleaning the energies and the memories and forgiving myself and forgiving the other people, and forgiving the events, places, situations, things. It took almost 3 to 4 months. At the end of 3 to 4 months, I could feel peaceful within me, which I never felt for last 10 years, at least 10 years. I never felt that much peaceful. And then the things have started changing outside also. First, I could feel that peace. I could experience the peace within me. Then I have seen that things are changing outside at the workplace, with colleagues, finances, and with the people. And interestingly, those people who are against me for last maybe around 7, 8 years, almost like feeling like enemies, on their own they came to me and apologized to me. And before that, I tried so many ways and so many things to make them understand. They could not understand me and I could not understand them. When I started looking into myself and started cleaning my memories, then the things have started changing outside. The outside people on their own came to me and apologized to me. And the workplace, whatever the difficulties were there, they got resolved on their own. And I used to get angry so easily. There was not even a single day where I didn't spend a day without getting angry. Now everything is peaceful. And in the same workplace, same people, same place, it was horrible then, now I'm enjoying my life. And this is helping many other people also. It is quite easy to practice on your own. There are various procedures. You can choose the one which is convenient for you, which you like, or which is easy for you. And another thing is, as you may be aware, that Dr. Hewlin, Dr. E. Haleakala Hewlin, he learned Ho'oponopono from Morna Nalamaku Simeona, and he started teaching Ho'oponopono worldwide. It is known as the authentic Ho'oponopono because it includes the procedures which were taught by Morna Nalamaku Simeona. It is not only one prayer or one process, There are different procedures, meditations are there. And when he was working in Hawaii State Hospital, he didn't see any of those patients professionally. He might have seen them when they are walking around, roaming around, but he never met any of those patients professionally as a psychologist or a psychiatrist sees. And he is a PhD in psychology. Just by working on them, working on himself, he healed the entire world of mentally ill criminals. They were the criminals who have done horrible crimes. Now they are mentally ill. And all those patients got cured when Dr. Hewlin worked on himself. He just cleaned the shared memories and the memories which are in his subconscious mind, which are replaying as his patients as the outside problem. And once he cleaned himself and those patients got better. When I started working on myself, when I started to release my pain and when I started to solve my problems, outside things have changed. People have changed, finance have changed, and health has changed, physical health, everything has changed. Just working on myself. So whenever you come across any kind of problem, you need not to worry about the outside things. You just look into yourself. You just see what is going on in me that I'm experiencing this. What is there in me that I'm experiencing this? What is going on in me that is causing this particular problem? Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of everything going on in me that is causing this problem. Thank you. I love you. And now this separated version of Ho'oponopono is practiced worldwide. There are lakhs of people today practicing Ho'oponopono, finding excellent results. Even in our group alone, we are doing this Ho'oponopono sessions for last 1 year. And the people who are going through the depression, suicidal thoughts, chronic health issues, by attending these weekly sessions, they have cured. And today also, there are 2 people are there who are going through the severe depression, the frequent suicidal thoughts. Now they are totally free from depression and suicidal thoughts. Now they are able to enjoy their life. And who are having difficulties with people, differences with people at the workplace, business, and the house, family. Now they are free from the problems. And who are having the issues of anger, short temper, or negative thoughts, they are free. And it is so powerful. And when it comes to healing procedures, Ho'oponopono procedures, there are different meditations are there. The meditation to release the unforgiveness, lack of understanding, to release lack of self-love, and to release the unforgiveness, hatred, anger. Another meditation is there known as the inner child meditation. Then by talking to your own inner child, the subconscious mind, you are releasing all the memories, subconscious memories, which are replaying as the present problems or the issues that you are going through. And the inner child meditation is quite popular. It is available in different social medias, everywhere you can find it. And another way of doing the healing with Ho'oponopono is releasing the cellular memories at the cellular level. It is an intense cleaning process where you will be connecting to each and every cell in your body, talking to each and every organ of the body, talking to each and every cell of the body and visualizing the things are stored in cellular memory, which are replaying as the present memory, present problems. We are cleaning the cellular memories. That is the one way of meditation. One meditation is the one way of healing process and talking to the body, each and every organ, and releasing the stuck emotion, stored emotions, memories, the energies, talking to the body. And there are meditation which can be done in couple of minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes, which are specific for when it comes to physical health issues. There are different procedures. When it comes to relations, differences, there are different procedures like this. There are many ways and there are tools. Just by using them, tools, you can clean the memories. So like blue solar water, having blue solar water, having sweet corn, like this. These are cleaning process. Just by having them, just by thinking of them, it will be cleaned. There are so many ways. Just by working on yourself, just by doing these things, you will be free from your present stress or the problems you're going through. In the chat, few questions are there. Let me check. Thanks to all of you for your comments in the chat. I think it's clear. Now we'll start with the cleaning process. Just close your eyes. Observe your breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. Just feel the cool air entering through your nostrils, going down deep through chest and the stomach portion, coming out through your nostrils, going out through your nostrils. When the air is entering through your nostrils, you can feel the cool air, coolness. When you're breathing out, you can feel that warm air going out through your nostrils. Continue this for a couple of minutes, couple of times. Now we'll be doing the ha breathing. In Hawaii, ha is known as the air or the breath. Ha breathing is to clean the ancestral memories. In the ha breathing, you will be breathing in for a count of 7, holding the breath for the count of 7, exhaling for the count of 7, holding the breath for the count of 7. This is one round of ha breathing. Like this, we will be doing 7 rounds. When you inhale the breath, for the count of 7, the divine energy enters your body. This breathing is not for your body. This is for your soul to clean the subconscious memories which are stored since thousands of years, since many lifetimes, that is, since the beginning of the creation. To clean those memories, to clean all those ancestral memories, which are now replaying as outside problems. When you're inhaling, the divine energy enters you, body, mind, soul. When you hold the breath for the count of 7, this divine energy in the form of white light clears all the negativity, cleans all the memories, removes all the toxins. And when you are exhaling for the count of 7, all the negativity from your body, mind, soul will be released. When by holding the breath for the count of 7, you are giving the gap. And again, inhaling for the count of 7, divine energy flows, starts going through your body. This is the process of half breathing. This is not for your body, this is for your soul. When you are doing the half breathing, if you are sitting on a chair, you just see that you are keeping both the feet on the ground so that you are connected to the Mother Earth. And here thumb is the divine, forefinger is you. You are connecting to the divine. Make mudra like you are joining forefinger with the thumb and remaining 3 fingers you're keeping straight. You can open your eyes now and see the video. Like this, you can make. Thumb is the divine, forefinger is you. Joining thumb with the forefinger, remaining 3 fingers keeping straight. Like this, you can make mudra. And keep both the palms on your knees or thighs by keeping palms downwards. Keep your spine straight or erect. See that your body is relaxed. I will play the audio. You just follow the half breathing. Now we are going to do half breathing. We are sitting on a chair. Keep both the feet on the ground. Make chin mudra with both the hands and keep both hands on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you. By closing your eyes, just observe your breathing. See that your whole body is relaxed. Now, no need to continue with Chin Mudra. No need to keep your spine erect. Just say that you are sitting in a comfortable position. See that your whole body is relaxed. Now slowly and comfortably breathe in and slowly and comfortably breathe out. Make it as easy and as comfortable as possible. Slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. When you are breathing in, the cool air entering through your nostrils and entering you, filling the stomach area. When you are breathing out, coming out from the stomach, chest portion, going out through the nostrils. You can feel the warm air going out through your nostrils. Just feel how it feels inhaling the breath and exhaling. Be present with your breathing. When you're continuing with this breathing, just say that when you're breathing in, positive energy entering you in the form of white light. When you're breathing out, all the negativity is going out in the form of black light or black color. When you're breathing in the positive energy as white light. When you're breathing out the negative energy as black color. When you're doing this, your whole body is getting relaxed. With every exhalation, all the stiffness, any kind of discomfort, negativity, toxins, memories are getting released, clean. Now you're feeling much better, pure. No need to do anything. Let the thoughts come and go. It is the nature of the mind to be busy with the thoughts. You just focus on the breathing, inhaling the white light, the positive energy as white light, and exhaling the negative energy as black color. Now, in a relaxed way, just keep your spine straight. Keep the hand on the chest position, the heart chakra. And repeat. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life, and love me. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. And love me. When you completely forgive yourself, you are releasing all the pains, all the accumulated memories, subconscious memories, which are accumulated since many lifetimes, since the beginning of the creation. It is very important to forgive yourself and release all the pains. Repeat. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. And love me. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life, and love me. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. When you forgive others, you are releasing your own pain. Forgiveness is not about the other person. It is only to release your pain, your hatred, unforgiveness, your anger, your resentment, your helplessness. When you forgive other person, you are releasing your own pain. And when you forgive yourself, you are releasing your own painful memories, which are replaying as the present problems, physical, psychological, or any kind of issues you're going through. It is all about working on yourself, releasing your energies. And once you forgive yourself and the other person, it doesn't mean that once you forgive other person again, going back to that person again getting hurt, nothing like that. It is only to release your pain. As long as you are holding on to that memories of painful memories of previous experiences with those people, only till then you keep on experiencing that pain, that resentment. Why this person came into my life? Why this person behaved like this? Why this has happened like this? Or why this breakup has happened? All these painful thoughts, feelings, emotions, the helplessness will be there only as long as you are holding on to that person's energies in the form of subconscious memories. Once you completely forgive other person, you will let go of that person free, and you will be free from the painful thoughts and emotions. You'll be able to enjoy your life like never before. And by continuing your eyes, just close your, continuing keeping your eyes closed. Observe your breathing. You just say that you're slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out, slowly and comfortably. When you are inhaling love and peace. When you are exhaling hope and confidence. Inhaling love and peace, exhaling hope and confidence. Do this for a couple of times. Before opening the eyes, let us do this small healing process. You just see that your body is relaxed. You are totally relaxed. Now, you just think of the one thing which is causing you a lot of pain in your life, whether in the form of thoughts, emotions, situations, inside, outside, health or physical or psychological health, any kind of problem, the issue you're going through, the one major thing which is causing you the heaviness, you just think of that. Now take a deep breath, slowly breathe in and slowly breathe out. Take all your attention to the breathing. Breathing in and slowly breathing out. Now you just see that whatever the problem was there in your life till the last moment, now it is not there. It is solved. It is resolved, disappeared. Now you are free from that particular issue. Just see that problem is solved and how you feel when you are free from that particular issue. How beautiful the life is. How beautiful you feel in your body. Now you are healthy, happy, strong, and peaceful. Attracting all the positivity, the peaceful, the positive thoughts, and all the loving people around you, and each and every person in your life, you love them and they love you. You just say that you love that person and that person loves you. Now you're totally free from all the pain, sorrow, suffering. See how the life is, how beautiful it is, how you feel in your body, how you feel in your thoughts, your mind. It's a harmonious life, peaceful life. Finally, with the blessings of the divine, all the problems are resolved. Now, with the blessings of the divine, you are free from all the pain, sorrow, suffering. At this moment, you have no other thing to be bothered. You are totally free. You are in the hands of the divine, taken care by the divine, totally free, healthy, happy, peaceful. The whole life is happening and going on in a harmonious way. Life is so beautiful, interesting. Whatever you see, wherever you go, Everywhere, everything you are seeing, love with the loving eyes. Whoever you meet in your life, everybody loves you. Everyone talks to you in a loving way. See as clearly as possible. Now, before closing the cleaning process, let us be thankful to the person who has provided us this opportunity of cleaning and healing ourselves. There is only one Guru in the universe, the entire creation, who has created this universe, the creator of the universe, the divine divinity. Let us be thankful to him or her, the divine, who has given us this beautiful body, beautiful opportunity. I just say that you are in a place of prayer, maybe temple, church, mosque, or a sacred place. And the divine is standing in front of you, the divine form of your own choice, whom you believe. It is not a statue, it is the human form. The divine is your favorite choice, divine whom you pray, whom you like, whom you love. That divine form is in front of you. It is alive in the human form. You are in front of this divine divinity. You just say that you are going down to the feet of the divine, touching the feet of the divine. You just bow down to the divine, surrender yourself to the divine divinity. You say thank you. Thank you for the gift of this life. Thank you for providing this beautiful body. Thank you for giving me the gift of this body. Thank you for giving me the gift of this life. Thank you. Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for protecting me. Thank you for guiding me. Thank you. And if you want to express your thoughts, feelings to the divine, you can talk to the divine. This is the best time. Just express all your thoughts, feelings, emotion to the divinity. And once it's done, you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Now you can open your eyes with a beautiful smile on your face. Let me see your beautiful face and beautiful smile, how it is, how it looks, whether it is she or he. I don't know smile is male or female. If any of you can help me to understand, it will be much better, so that I will remember you for my whole life that this person has taught me that smile is a male, smile is female. I like to see the people with smile on their face. For that, I keep on cracking these jokes and things.
If a female is smiling, so it's a smile is female. If a male is smiling, so the smile is male. Isn't it simple as that, sir?
I'm not able to understand. Sorry, the answer is not clear.
Okay. So, okay, answer is smile only. Smile. Only smile.
Okay. If you are smiling, it will be female. If I am smiling, it will be male.
Yeah.
Really great. It is really interesting. There are so many answers, different possibilities in this universe. I thought either it may be male or female. Now only because of the great Karuna Katvani, I came to know that if a female person is smiling, it will be female. If it is smiled by male, it will be by male. This is really great. Life is becoming more and more interesting. Thank you very much. Any of you find interesting?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Sanjay.
Feeling lighter, sir.
Yes, that is really great. Because you are connecting to your own self, the subconscious, the divinity within you. Ho'oponopono is all about connecting to yourself, your subconscious, expressing the divinity. Instead of leading the life from memories, you can lead the life with inspirations. That is what all about Ho'oponopono. Just clean the memories, be open to the inspiration, enjoy the life, happy, blissful, infinite joy, joyful life. Anybody else would like to share something? How did you feel? In the chat, one person is asking while doing half breathing, why palm is down, posture, sir? While updating the ancient Hawaiian problem-solving process, Morna Nalamaku has given this process. When you are doing the half breathing, you need to keep both the palms downwards. Why she told, I don't know. You may go to her and ask her. Now she is not in her body. Just search her where she is. Find her and ask her why she told to give. That I don't know. And when you observe while doing the half breathing, if you keep the palms downwards, breathe in and breathe out, and keep the palms upwards and just see the breathing in and breathe out, you see the difference. Now let us do all of you just yes, before this, I request all of you just close your eyes and keep your spine straight. Keeping the chin mudra, joining thumb and the forefinger together and remaining three fingers straight together. Keeping both the palms on the ground, keeping your spine erect, close your eyes. Breathe in for the count of 7. And breathe out for the count of 7. You just feel where that breath is filling up in your body, which part of your body, whether the lower part or the upper part. Breathe in for the count of 7 and breathe out for the count of 7. Now sitting in the same posture, keeping your spine straight, instead of keeping the palms downwards, you keep both the palms upwards, facing the sky like this. Keep both the palms and breathe in for the count of 7 and breathe out for the count of 7. When you're doing this, did you find any difference? Which part of the body? What did you find, sir? Please tell me.
First breathing, I saw upper part is feeling. Upper part,
Okay.
lungs. And second time, I felt it is from abdomen.
Yes. Just by changing the position of the hands, your whole system is getting changed.
Sir,
You
I
are
have a
sitting in the
question.
same posture. Yes, sir, please.
You told that to keep both the legs on ground.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
if you are living in the third floor or second floor, what to do?
Wherever you're sitting, just keep both the feet on the ground. Wherever you're sitting, so that from that floor, you are connecting to the ground floor, from there to the Mother Earth.
Okay.
It's
Thank you,
simple.
sir.
You just say that you are connected to the
Session was
Mother Earth
beautiful.
to that building. Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Before closing, anybody has to share something, say, or would like to add?